My name is Christopher Lloyd and I'm the author of a book called Funny Factopia. Follow the trail of 100 wacky facts. It's a £1 or €1.50 book for World Book Day 2026. Now, sometimes when I'm reading, the sort of things that I like to read are things that I know about or things I want to find out more about. But recently I've discovered there's a real joy of learning about things not through normal writing, but through poetry. And poetry is a beautiful art form that is something I wouldn't normally turn to if I want to find out facts. But recently I've discovered this book about an amazing American lady called Harriet Tubman. But rather than just read about her in an encyclopedia or looking her up online, this book tells her story as a series of poems. For example, I could read you just one verse here. The slavery system is so cruel, Minty never gets a chance at school. No nurturing to learn to read and write, hard labor is the young one's plight. So this is my challenge for myself, and maybe something you can think about too, is to learn new things through amazing traditional art forms like poems.